metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Dear students, we have learned from earlier videos that elements are classified into S, P, D, F blocks from their electronic configuration. Well, apart from classifying elements according to S, P, D, F block elements, they can also be classified from their properties. From properties of elements, they are divided into metals and non-metals. Let us learn about metals and non-metals one by one. Metals. Metals occupy 78% of elements in periodic table. All metals have high melting point and boiling point. A melting point is the temperature at which solid state of substance changes to liquid state. Boiling point is a temperature at which liquid state of a substance changes to gaseous state. Only mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is liquid in nature because of weak intermolecular forces. Also, gallium and cesium are the metals which are generally solid at room temperature but has low melting point. That is, if temperature increases beyond room temperature, these metals melt easily. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metal possesses the properties of malleability and ductility. You can say a metal is malleable if that metal is beaten into sheets. A metal is said to be ductile if it can be drawn into wire. For example, copper is best example to demonstrate properties of metal. Copper can be flattened into sheets, drawn into wires, and is good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals. Non-metals are present at upper right of periodic table. Non-metals constitutes approximately 14% of elements in periodic table. Non-metals are usually solid or gases at room temperature. We call these elements as non-metal because it does not have properties like metals. That is, these elements are neither malleable nor ductile. Moreover, they are bad conductors of heat and electricity. In fact, non-metals are brittle in nature. That is, they are hard, still can break easily. Also, non-metals have low melting points and boiling points. The low melting point and boiling point is the result of weaker bonds present between atoms of the element. Carbon and boron are exception in non-metals which have high melting point and boiling point. Elements become more metallic as we go down the group. Non-metallic character increases as we move from left to right in periodic table. Metalloids. In periodic table, you can see the zigzag line. The diagonal elements bordering the zigzag lines are called metalloids or semimetals. Metalloids are the elements which have the ability to behave like metals as well as non-metal. That is, properties of metalloids lies in between metals and non-metals. They constitute approximately 8% of elements in periodic table. In periodic table, metalloids separates metals from non-metals. For example, metalloids are silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium.